Shall we? Rico, thank you for following Rico. Then followed back. Hello, welcome. Shall we everyone? It's PM. Hello. Shall we fight on? Shall we? FKF, shall we? So, Chavacana ka. Hindi ko din alam mag-Chavacana. Hindi niya ako Chavacana. Nag-boarding house lang ako dito sa Zamboanga City kasi nag-aaral ako dito. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano. Hello, Ma'am Rina. Eres muy linda. Ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Ares, I can understand. Hey, hello everyone. Shall we? Good evening. So, good evening. It's evening in your place, Chocolate Boy. I am from Vancouver. Okay. That's why it's evening. Good evening, by the way. It's morning here in the Philippines. Oba. Yes po. Follow me back. I think I just followed you back. Hindi ba? Ingat ka po dyan. Thank you, I will. Ikaw din. Hi, hello. Hello, Dudong. Wow, followed. Thank you for following Ducky. Dan followed back. Dan followed back po. Jason, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, mom. You're very pretty. Thank you. Son, thank you for following Son. Dan followed back. Hello, hello, Shaggy, everyone. Well, morning po sa'yo. Morning. Malcolm Manner. Hello, Malcolm Manner. Shaggy, welcome to my life. Hi, Mike. Thank you for following Mike. Let's follow each other. Okay, Dan followed back. Follow me back also. Okay, Don. You're so beautiful po. Thank you. Hello, B. Follow back po. Naka-follow back na. Naka-follow back na. I think we're friends na. So, taga-asa jud ka kay ba lang ka kasi sa Zamboanga City. So, I am from Zamboanga, Sibugay pala. I am from EPL. Hello, B. Follow back po. You're so beautiful. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome, shall we, everyone? Shall we? Shall we be more? Shall we? Welcome to my life. I just hope magandang morning niyo today. You need to start a beautiful morning. Hello, Jason. Hello. Sana po mapansin ang message ko, B. Wait, I'll just open my inbox. I can't do that, Mike. I really can't do that. Hello, everybody. Jason. Hello, Jason. Followed you. Thank you for following. Then followed back. Bakit ba nag-offer ng makeup tong si Bigo? Eh, ayaw ko mag-makeup. Hello, Eugene. Thank you for following, Eugene. Then followed back po. Then followed back. Okay, June. Hello, June. Hi. Then followed back, June. Thank you for following. Santa. Thank you for following, Santa. Baka may pamasko ka dyan, Santa. Ano? Hello, everybody. At ayun na nga. Wala na nga akong internet. Ano ba yun? Wala na akong data. Wala na data. I think wala na akong data. Thank you for following, Jaymon. Then follow back. Obos na beans na lang natira. Obos na. Okay po. It's okay. Hello, Gab. Thank you for following at Smardulia. Then followed back. Hello, everybody. How are all of you? Kumusta naman ang tulog yung lahat? I just hope okay kayong lahat. Wow, thank you, Santa. Thank you for that, Santa. Thank you, Santa. Shall we braille? Thank you for joining. Good morning. Good morning, Moon. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Ayun, at sinisipon ako. Kumusta naman kayong lahat? Sana okay po kayong lahat. Ang Aga-aga, ang aga-aga naman. Maaga ako nag-live kasi nga may work ako later. I'll be working my part-time job. Hello everybody. Shall we everyone? Shall we? Shall we slow? Uy, na-follow ako ni Tanggol. Thank you, Tanggol. Then followed back. At ayun, nakapangtulog pa nga ako kasi nga kakagising ko lang. Hello, aray ko. Hello, sipag naman. Thank you po. Nagsisipag talaga kasi wala naman akong choice at kailangan kong kailangan kong mag-work hard. Nag-aaral pa nga ako while nag-live. Hello Destroyer. Good morning. How are you? Shall we everybody? Shall we Mary Lord? Thank you for following Mary Lord and followed back. Shall we Steven? Shall we Jaymon? Good morning everybody. Good morning everyone. Shall we? You're all welcome here. Welcome to my live. Shall we everyone? Shall we? Shall we everybody? Shall we everyone? Shall we? Thank you for following. Dan follow back po. Live ako ng morning para good naman ang morning ninyo. Hello everybody. Good morning, Jay. Shall we? Shall we, Jay? Unname? Shall we unname? Shall we? Welcome to my live. How's your morning, everyone? Kumusta po kayong lahat? Hello, VIP 2. I can't really read your name. Shall we? Shall we, everybody? Welcome to my live. My work up po. Yes, I am working part-time job lang. Every Friday lang. Nag-aaral kasi din ako. Hello, everybody. Shall we? Welcome. Thank you for following, Snow. Dan, follow back. I am working kasi as part-timer kasi ako at nag-aaral din. Thank you for that, Nile. Kailangan magsipag. Shall we everyone? Shall we? Moon, thank you for following, Moon. Dan, follow back. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Nile. Wow, thank you, Nile. Thank you for that, Nile. It's a big help talaga for me. Ayun. Wala, ang dami. Thank you, Nile. Ang bait mo naman. Shall we, everyone? Shall we, Prime Sparko? Thank you for following. Dan follow back. Keep smiling, shall we? Shall we, everybody? Thank you so much, Nile. Thank you, Nile. Malaking tulong to sa akin na makakwata ako. Okay, ma'am, fine. I'm good, Anita.